Oven stuck on preheat forever? Fix it fast. Your Ninja double oven should only show preheat for a few minutes. If it never switches over, here's how to fix it. Step 1. Close the door firmly. The oven won't move past preheating unless the door is fully latched. Make sure nothing is blocking it and press until it clicks shut. Step 2. Check the crumb tray and racks. The crumb tray belongs in its bottom slot, not in a rack position. Push racks and pans fully back so they don't block the door or touch the heating elements. Step 3. Remove foil or airflow blockers. Covering the crumb tray or wall with foil heat and confuses the sensors. Use foil only on the sheet pan or loosely over food. Leave vents clear. Step 4. Choose the right function. Remember, toast, bagel, and broil don't preheat. If you see preheat on those functions, reset and select bake, convection bake, air fry, or air roast instead. Step 5. Give it enough time. Preheat takes longer at high temperatures or in the bottom oven. 3 to 7 minutes is normal. For max temperatures or both ovens running, add a couple more. If your oven still sits on preheat with no heat after these checks, contact Ninja support using the link in the description before trying again. If this helped you get past the preheat screen, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a set of oven-safe silicone mats, I've linked the ones I use below. They distribute heat evenly and keep bottoms from scorching once preheat finally ends. Thanks for watching, and don't get stuck waiting on preheat.